Else need a money down?
But 10 milliliters copper chloride, then we need the solution to test tube.
Okay, first we have to make our observations.
Hey guys,
So,
what's rule number 1 about using copper chloride even if there's somebody right behind me? Any of them?
Oh, hair.
Not hair. What's the number 1 rule when you're using something from a big bottle? Always put the
Lid
Back on.
back on the bottle, even if there's somebody right behind you. Always put the lid back on.
This looks like a blue liquid.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
It's just like.
You're gonna end up wanting this one with the non-hole for the one reaction. The other ones are fine. I had some helpers who were very bored, and you really only need one of these. They were really bored, so I just made them get test tube stoppers out for everything. So here's a paper clip if you need it, Tom.
This one,
Yeah, they're right here.
We need the
I need to wash the bottles out so you can wash these out really
take
quick.
a piece of magnesium.
This is distilled water. You can rinse your tubes, your hydrated cylinders out. Whatever.
yes, sir. I forgot about that rule. I just, that was the, for person behind me.
What's that?
On the, what was it, the copper chloride. I have to go on.
That's alright. It's a good reminder for everybody because it's easy to forget when you're first working with it. You won't forget on the next one. It's okay.
Next we need a piece of magnesium metal.
what is it doing when you stand it?
Do you want to grab that or do you want me to grab it?
Alright, you ready to record, Leland? Are you good? Alright, we'll get this here so you can just zoom in here.
Or was it recording before?
It is recording, so we're good.
Yeah.
We're gonna have weird background in here.
Is this the test station?
Yes. God.
Right, so, yeah, why do you have, you put the,
What does it say to do?
I know.
You're putting it into a test tube and you can.
Shiny.
Oh, God.
Shiny with rigid edges.
Silver. Rigid edges. Alright. Anyways, why don't we put this in one of the smaller test tubes?
Yep, just put it in one of the test tubes. Yep, what it says to do on there. You should have plenty of test tubes. If you need more, let me know. The little silver shiny. Right.
Why did you? That was so low.
From the metal in. Okay.
Let me turn it that way.
It's just got silver nitrate on it. That's nice.
It
So
says
you're going between these.
complete reaction B and then return to make final observations. So we'll let it sit for a minute. 10 milliliters of 1.0 M hydrochloric acid solution in a test tube,
And they just have distilled
and
water.
then
Zoom really
a piece of zinc and,
water.
yep, piece of zinc.
Till it's just. So to you, you're just gonna rinse this out
Yeah,
since
put
it's
your goggles down,
mostly,
bud. It's dangerous.
most user safe chemicals too. So just swirl it and you can just rinse it out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, it's eating. No, it's eating.
So we need 10 millimeters of hydrochloric acid and a piece of zinc.
Okay, come on up. Ready for balls. Use it water.
It looks like clear liquid.
Any clothes like water.
Oh my god.
This one may have some holes.
Well, I'm on a pouring machine here.
What do I need to go grab? Oh, okay.
Oh, did I just send this with the
Steel balls.
It's 10, right?
do that?
Any stoppers?
Alright,
Do you have any on your thing?
shiny,
We have some.
silver,
Hydrochloric acid.
flexible.
Jake, you need some of this.
Almost lost it in steel here.
And give one to her, give one to Macy.
Fin.
We got this one.
Really close to perfection.
There you go, do something again. I'll put in the hydrochloric acid.
Test tube, please.
Some metal. It's like
And
shiny
then
silver
try
looking
this.
with
I-
stripes.
Skinny.
I've just been waiting for stuff to sell.
Okay, I got this one.
In 3, 2, 1.
Stuffer.
Okay, you have to.
Do we want to go back to A? It looks like
It's like rising and falling.
it's like it's bobbing and making bubbles, and it looks like it is decomposing.
Bobbing. Bubbles. Composing. Composing and put small pieces sending from
Good, we got rid of a bottle. I was hoping it would.
order piece.
Zinc.
And it kind of looks black now.
Place the zinc in the test tube.
Here's
Well, how much was it?
black
We gotta do it.
No.
liquid
We gotta read it. No.
lighter. I'm gonna put
Complete reaction state, then return.
and put some mercury. Alright, now let's see.
Okay. Need Bunsen burner.
We're gonna need the lighter.
Miss Walton, does this look good? These Bunsen burners.
Oh yeah.
Want to make sure.
I'm gonna use this.
Yep. Brand new striker plate. You can throw the paper wrappers away.
Wait till you get your hand off for a minute.
There's a striker plate. And brand new. It's in a plastic.
Sometimes
it's
these
a
are
plastic
pain.
plate.
Down. I'll use such a pain.
There we go.
Bit of more controlled flame.
Alright, so we need to make our observations on copper.
Here. Yep.
You want to hold the copper over?
Sure, I think so. Copper,
Copper.
So it won't be.
bronze,
That, if you don't have gas, let me know.
Like a button.
That might be part of it, so I might have them off.
rigid,
Pretty sure you might be on it, so you should be good. You got gas?
bent,
Pretty sure.
various angles.
You're good.
Alright, that's good observations.
You don't have gas, let me know. You guys got gas?
Okay. Fire away.
There we go. Maybe. Just go.
Require a tank. I never can remember if I have one on or not. It's pretty new.
Takes a minute to here's some
I can't
instructions.
remember if I had them on or off because I had to keep them off because of students making me script or not.
Yeah, it's starting. You can see it.
That's not on.
And it kind of goes red hot, kind of.
Oh, gee.
Miss Wallen, after we hook the copper in the wire in the flame, what do we do next?
Record your observations. What are you observing in the flame? So it says here
30 seconds.
to take a small piece of copper wire and hold it at one end using crucible tongs. Record your observations. Place the opposite end of the wire into the hottest part of a Bunsen burner flame for 30 seconds. Remove the wire and examine it. After the wire is cooled, scrape the surface and record your observations. There you go. Careful, careful.
Sorry.
Careful.
Oh, has it been 30 seconds?
Yeah, about. So it kind of just looks more
Change color. It's got like
change.
it's got like more it's got like color patches in it. Change color while on the fire.
There's a tiny glowing spot.
You want to come look at it?
Yep.
That high.
Some shiny silver looking parts.
It doesn't smoke, it's not gonna set off an alarm.
This one.
And you can run underwater and cool it down if you want, that way it speeds it up a little bit. Some more tests. Moving just a little faster.
No, it's the water.
If you're recording your observations, you want to put the next person up to get your next ingredients.
Yes. Oh, you gotta look at that one.
Remove the Bunsen burner.
It just got a little discovered with that.
Write your observations down.
Yeah.
Miss Wallen, what do we scrape the surface with?
You could use the steel bowl.
Oh, yeah, how feels
So what?
Oh, it's the same.
Was it cooled down?
I didn't get like.
It looks like it kind of removes the char and hasn't any spot.
Oh, oh. There's more to see. There's more reaction Z.
No, that's what we did.
Scrape the surface. Oh, did you scrape the surface?
I did not see that.
Go with B.
Good idea, like. Oh, after, no.
It says when it's cool.
Like it kept pretty much the same, it's just bubbling.
Here's your next one.
Looking shape
Oh.
with bubbles.
Yep, that's what you need for your next one. I'm trying to help you speed up some time here.
Sure?
Okay.
I would really like.
Hey guys, don't spend too much of your
We'll
focus
do
on
reaction D.
D.
Did you already clean the? Did you already clean this out again? Huh?
I thought you
She did.
Alright, direction you place 5 milliliters of copper sulfate.
Measure 5 milliliters of potassium carbonate solution in. Okay.
And then when you guys are done with those little coppers, you need
So we need first 5 milliliters of copper sulfate.
No? Okay. Thought I had more to share.
Which one's this one's a called the blue one.
Go ahead and grab your cup. It's just easier to grab it with the, right there. Okay, let me see. Next one's hydrogen peroxide. It's up here and you grab it with the potato. You're welcome to grab hydrogen peroxide
And
with
the
the
one
potato.
who's a hydrogen.
That's your next one, right?
No. Yeah, what did you do? I don't need to do anything.
Where's that?
No, we have
Good.
that one. Poor Lexi.
Got it?
Place 2 chemicals in a test.
Perfect, right? Yep, bring those up here. I think everybody's got them, but we're gonna bring them back. Yep. Alright, so your next one is hydrogen peroxide and potato. Hither, boom, jump, and go. You rinse your graduated cylinders out between reactions. So if you don't rinse them out between reactions, you will have a mess. It will not work properly.
No.
And now we have 2. I'll put it. I'm gonna put in copper sulfate first, and then you and then you put in potassium carbonate. Yep. All right, in this
You guys
speaker.
ever had to grab one? Guys, do your hydrogen peroxide with your potato?
And it's negative 1.7.
We need more test tubes?
All right, and now
You need another one? Mine's not a good answer.
We'll come back
Everybody
for
hydrogen
that
peroxide?
one.
There you go,
wait. What does it say? Do milliliters hydrogen peroxide has two for observations.
There should be some more in the area.
Small potato.
Now rinse this out. Just in case.
I'll clean these two out real quick.
Milliliter hydrogen peroxide.
What are you waiting for?
Reaction D.
Potatoes.
What happens?
Oh, you're taking the same potato and then all your.
Yeah. Oh,
So we skipped one.
I need a piece of
Piece of potato.
Copper wire.
C is copper wire.
Wait, no, I have to use a potato.
C was the
Copper wire.
You should have.
You got a piece of
Potato, yes, you
Okay, so we have to
10 millimeters
this.
hydrogen peroxide in a test tube. Then we put in our potato and quickly cover it.
Okay, yes, this stop there. There's a hole in it, but that's okay. We're gonna put her. You got one with no hole?
Here,
It's got two, so we're gonna put a.
here, which was water. No.
At potassium carbonate test tube. Add it to test tube quickly. Place your stopper lightly on the test tube. Light a wooden splint. Go ahead and light a wooden splint, Leland.
Huh?
Light the splint. You're gonna need your lighter.
Okay.
Don't put the sulfur back on there.
Guys, try to keep moving along.
You want me
Try
to do
keep
the
moving
light
along.
since it's kind of a pain in the butt?
I can try.
Okay.
And then grab your wooden splint, Leland. I'm gonna shut this because we're not gonna finish. And if the freshmen see the door shut, they know to wait. Try to give it some pressure. Okay, like the splint. Sodium oxalate right here, guys. This one here. Is your sodium oxalate 10? Sodium oxalate is this one, right? Here. Yep. And then
Miss Walton. Miss Walton. She just walked off with our thing. Alright, wooden splint mesh.
you guys ready?
Yeah.
And then it says to record your blue test tube. Since this one doesn't have a cap. Comes mama.
Here, you just
Just drop it in there.
What happened?
It
Yup.
and all the smoke condensing down.
Okay. Alright, so you're going to use your sodium oxalate. And you're going to use this on your next one.
Potato.
It's
head.
here's your sodium oxalate, and I'll come back with your calcium.
Put the when
Did you guys get your little piece?
smoke.
So with the scopula, you're going to take a little bit of the scopula.
And
And I'm going to get you some beets.
alright, D. Which one's that? This one?
Yeah, I turned into a,
Here's of like light / sky blue, very murky,
Okay.
some. I'm green
Yep.
spots.
So this is your sodium oxalate. For E, nope, F, this is F. And we're gonna put some calcium in here. And then calcium oxide will get you to calcium oxide next.
You just give the calcium oxide, calcium out.
That's when you're on, right? Calcium oxalate and the calcium chloride and so you have calcium chloride and sodium. Yep. Okay. So there you go. You're gonna need your scoop to live for this. All right. So then we're gonna clean our test tube. We actually need 2 test tubes.
We only have one.
That's okay. There's some more in the drain.
Okay.
Can you give that as max power for me, please?
Got another test tube.
I'm taking one from you.
Okay. So are we on E?
Yep, we're on that. This one down here on G.
Or no, F. Let's go with F.
F's right here.
Okay.
F's right there for you.
Okay.
In the drain rack. So it says take a small scoop of this and put it in 1 test tube, right? In 2 test tubes, okay. Okay. And then it says to one of the test tubes add 15, recording your observations. Right now it's just a powder, right? To one test tube add 15 milliliters of water. To a third test tube add 15 milliliters of water. Record your observations and record your pH. So I'm going to take these 2 from you. And I will take those. And then you can get a third one. Who's ready for the calcium oxide?
Get a third one.
Yep, there's some in the drain rack.
But how much do we have to do to the?
Third test tube. One of the test tubes, 15 milliliters of water.
We're going to steal some time for a second hour. Okay. And you're recording your observations. I'm going to steal your potato and hydrogen peroxide as well.
At 15 milliliters of water.
But we do need to finish up because the bell did ring, guys. We do not want to be very late to our next class.
Alright,
Alright, there's one with high.
so what do we do about the calcium oxide?
What does it say to do next?
Um,
I'm going to just keep taking your test tubes.
15 milliliters of water. Sorry, bunch of burners in the way.
Bring your rack. Bring it over here, Jake. It's the whole thing. There's the whole rack.
Yeah, that didn't fit in that.
Okay? Because I have these kind of
Where
marked
do you
out.
want this now?
Just throw them in the sink, we'll rinse them off, and then I'll keep handing it to them.
Just rinse it.
what do we do now?
Miss Walton, what's our next step?
Okay, grab one of the big ones. I don't know if I'm almost done with this or not.
Miss Walton.
Big one. I don't care which one.
Right.
I really don't know.
Yep, just rinse them and throw them in the drain rack. Here.
Miss Walton,
Yes.
we have the 3 test tubes, so what would our next step be?
What does it say to do? I think it says to record your observations, right?
This is what one of the test tubes add 15 milliliters of water.
It just killed me here when you put the stuff
Okay,
together.
so I'm guessing to one of these.
And just clean up your areas. Jake is Seth getting all the air.
So I'm gonna add the 15 milliliters.
Mama. How you guys
3.
put the stuff back in? Where's that paper clip?
Okay, I'll grab another 15. You record the pH. Sound good?
What am
know if you push it in on that instead of pulling it out.
Guys, we gotta get cleaned up. We gotta get you to class. I will start getting calls from teachers. I will not be happy. I can't get that out. Throw the stick. I can't get it out.
Okay. Another 15.
You need more test tubes?
Going in.
I have plenty of test tubes.
3, 2, 1. Okay. I think he just plopped it, or yeah, that works. And you have a pH chart right there.
What? I think the pH of this one is
Calcium oxide, fine white powder, a
Minus one.
orangey
I can you call me and just proud and tell me we're finished the lab for me.
with, and then what would the
No, just sit in the hall, do your bell work, hang out. We'll be done in 5 minutes.
okay, what's the pH of the first one?
second one's also pH.
So
We'll be
what's
done in 5 minutes, unless you guys are almost done, right?
They're both. We added water to both of them, and they both got
Murky?
and the same pH.
Perfect. Good God. A few minutes to get things wrapped up, yes.
This one just needs water, so we just put it on the drying rack.
Yep.
Alright,
You can kind of tip it out if you want to just kind of put it out on the table too. See if it's pH over you.
Okay. Put our rack on here.
Probably not.
are we gonna talk about this tomorrow?
Yes, before we get started on our poster, we'll do that.
So don't start the do we start the lab report? Do we start the lab report yet?
You can start the lab report. I will start the lab report.
Okay, Miss, we need another 15. Another.
Listen, guys, keep moving. Leland, are we done recording? Did we get
Yep.
it all? Perfect.